Hi friends, welcome in Cortex Automation Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss and unboxing Cortex Y10 series machine. This is a new model of Cortex Automation Private Limited which come in red color and many special features loaded in this machine. So let's go and unboxing the video. This is a brown box over the color box. You can see inside the color box. The Cortex has been provided strong packaging for the machine. So two box they have provided for the machine, safety of the machine. Okay. You can see this is main color box. So I am going to discuss about this box. You can see there is a one quantity. The measurement of the machine 14.5 into 27.5 into 30.5 centimeters. Okay. This machine is waterproof with parameter IPX5. You can see the special specification Cortex has been provided on the color box. The logo of the Cortex, quality with trust. The main feature of the Cortex Automation Private Limited R10 series, they have highlighted on the color box, which is I am telling you. This machine come with the 100% copper winding induction motor. So there are many type of machine in the market, like a carbon brush, universal motor, but induction motor is always powerful, which is come in this machine. After that, the main feature of the machine is waterproof level IPX5. You can see here. The main feature loaded in the machine is pressure adjustable knob. You can rotate anti-clockwise or clockwise button of the adjustable pressure control knob, which can give you desired pressure, which you can use for the AC cleaning, car cleaning, and where you require. There is a one more special feature, which is advanced total stop system. So once you trigger on of the machine, then a pressure come from the gun, and when you release the trigger of the gun, then pressure automatically stop. It's called advanced total stop system. After that, full set of machine. Now I would like to discuss you this specialized very updated and advanced version of the features. So I will discuss it later. Okay. So there is a overheating protection in this machine. Cortex has been provided overheating protection. When the overload come in the machine is getting automatic trip. After that, overload protection also provided for this machine. Okay, so let's see now accessories of the machine. Okay, let's see. Now we have opened the color box. Okay, you can see standard accessory Cortex has been provided along with the machine. So one by one I am going to discuss with you, and also I would like to tell you the name of the accessories, so you will easy to understand feature and the accessories of the machine. This is a blue sponge, car washer sponge. You can wear in the hand like this, and after that you can wash the car. So this is a very special component Cortex has provided. Okay. After that, this is a gun, pressure gun. This is a trigger of the gun. Once you press, the water will be come out from the gun, and once you release the trigger, water will be pressure automatic stop. This is the second part of the accessory. Let's now discuss about the third one. This is the inlet pipe. The quality of the inlet pipe is very good. You can see the green color pipe Cortex has provided along with the machine, and this is almost 3 meter. Okay. So after the professional foam button, I am introducing this. You can see this is a professional foam button. There is Cortex quality with trust. You can see. Okay, there are in the many machines there is a normal foam cannon come, but this is a professional foam button. You can set foam pressure by this button. Okay, so this is a very special. I will introduce sometime later, and practically application I will show on the car. Okay, you can see. After the third thing is coming, Cortex has also provided small foam button. This is also used for the foaming, but this is a small application. Okay. So Cortex have provided both. You can use as per your convenience, small or large as per your convenience you can use. Okay. After that, Cortex has provided degree spray nozzle. You can see this is a degree spray nozzle. Degree spray nozzle, red, green, white, yellow, and black. This is a 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 45 degree, and this black nozzle specially provided for the foam of the machine. Okay. After that, we are discussing about outlet pipe of the outlet pipe. Wow, this is outlet pipe is very nice, and this is come with the quality of this pipe is very good. You can see usually in the market getting plastic hose pipe, but this is a hydraulic steel pipe. There is a hydraulic material inside the pipe. You can see very good quality of the machine. I like it very much. And the length of this pipe is almost 8 meters. Okay. Third thing is, there is a special thing. Okay. This is a crystal filter, which use for the inlet of the pipe, connection of the pipe. You can use it. Okay. Second thing is the water inlet. The water inlet usually used for the end of the pipe, inlet pipe, which prevent the dirt from the water. This is a quick connector, which used for the inlet pipe to the machine. This is a red color. Last thing is quick connector. This is a very important. This is part pure brass and very important part. You can see here there are bearing inside the brass connector. You can see. This is very important for the connecting the nozzles as well as foam bottle, professional foam bottle. Okay. After that, wow, there is a very special thing they have provided along with the machine. This is the extension rod. Extension rod usually used for the extent of the gun and extent of the pressure. I will show practical application of this pipe, but this pipe is very convenient for using inside the tire and inside dirt of the car and anywhere. You don't need to bend body. This is very useful. I will show you working application practically. Okay. Now we are discussing about the machine. Okay. So you can see this is a very good packaging Cortex has provided for this machine. This is a white color machine. This is a red color machine. Finally our machine has come. You can see. I like packaging they have provided very much better. Okay. This is a Cortex R10 series machine. The special thing of this machine, Cortex has provided all-in-one accessories combo. There is nothing you have to buy separately along with this machine. Cortex has provided everything along with this machine. Okay, so you can call it all-in-one combo machine also. I would like to tell you a part of the machine as well as this is a power part. The length of power cord is very good. I think it's more than 3 meters. As I see, more than 3 meters. Okay. Because European plug has been provided along with the power plant. And this machine run on 230 volts, which we call single phase. Okay. So I would like to tell the name of the machine. This is the handle of the machine. This is machine, you can see, totally portable, and weight of the machine around 8 to 9 kgs. You can see. So this is a handle. This is a on-off switch of the machine. This is a brand name sticker and some specification is provided on the machine. After that, you can see this is the back cover of the machine. Machine is very strong. The pressure gauge also provided. This machine provided more than 180 bar maximum pressure. Okay, you can see when the machine run, the pressure will come more than 180 bar here. This is a special button I would like to introduce. This is a special control knob. This is a special feature of the machine. Okay, this is you can rotate it clockwise or anti-clockwise. According to rotating of the pressure control knob, pressure will be adjust. As per your desired application, you can rotate the pressure control knob. Okay, so this is a plunger pump is very advanced level. This is a pure brass inlet type, inlet connector. This is an outlet. Okay, you can see machine. You can see the machine. Very nice design, and this is looking like a pressure hunk. I can call it hunk. Now guys, I will show the installation process of the machine step by step, and after that I will also show you working application of the machine. So friends, now we are going to start inlet pipe connection of the machine. This is a crystal filter. Okay, so we are fitting with this inlet connection. Okay, properly fit. Now this is the inlet pipe. Okay, so in the inlet pipe we putting this. After that you can see pipe is properly inserted in this part. Okay, please ensure that this pipe should be go properly in this quick connector. After that this you can fit. So we properly connected the quick connector. Okay, so after that what you want to do, this red part push. Okay, and push into the crystal connector, and you will come cut wise. So you can ensure that this is assembly proper done. Okay, so in this part we are going to collect water filter. This is a water filter, and just you have to put inside the pipe. This is a very important part. Don't put pipe directly without the filter, because filter prevent all dirt which come from the water. Okay, so your inlet connection almost done. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the outlet connection of the machine. This is a hydraulic hose. You can see this 8 meter and very good quality hydraulic hose. Especially I like hydraulic hose quality, and especially they have provided more than 8 meter. This is more than enough for washing the car and cleaning application. You can see. Now we are going to join outlet connection. Okay, in the outlet connection you have to, okay, you can see this is a connector. Okay, so this is your main connector part. We have to insert it in the outlet connection of the machine. Okay, you can see. Please ensure that it is properly gone. After that, this is a connector. You can connect. The second outlet connector we are going to join with the gun. You can see this is a gun connector, and outlet pipe point we are pushing into the gun properly, and after that we are rotating outlet connector. Please ensure that this connector should be properly connected to the gun. Okay, so our connection has been completed. Okay, so as per your need you can attach extension rod as well. Now I am showing you adjustable nozzle application, and after that I will show degree spray nozzle. Okay, so here you can see extension rod, how you need to connect the extension rod to the gun. I am showing you the procedure. Okay, this is a front part of the gun. Okay, you can see. So this is the extension rod. You need to connect like this. Very easy and simple process of installation. Okay, and this part you can pull, and this part you have to insert. Now you can see this is a long gun, and extension rod connection has successful. Okay, so now let's go for application of the car washing. You can see the length of outlet pipe. Very long and more than enough for washing application. Okay. Now we are going to start working application of the machine. This is a European plug, which you can call it single phase or 230 volt. Okay, we are putting this power cord in the box. Okay, connection is set, and this is a inlet pipe connection, which you can inlet pipe hose you can put into the bucket, or you can also connect it for the tap connector, or in the water tank also you can put it. Okay, now we have bucket of the water, and we are going to put in this inlet hose in the bucket. Okay, we have put this. You can see this is our outlet connection. You can see electricity button I have started, and now we are going to start the machine. This is a on off switch of the machine, and I am going to start now machine on. Okay, you can see the operation of the machine is very silent, the noiseless operation. Okay, so you can see the machine has started, and I am going to show you how it is work. Okay, this is a gun, long gun, and trigger of the gun I am going to press now. Okay, pressing, air coming. You need to wait till next 10 to 15 seconds. So water come. You can see the flow. Flow is very powerful, I can see. Okay, and practically I am going to show you now how effectively it is cleaning. So you can see this car is very dirty. Actually this car we have made dirty to showing you video and working application of the machine, how effectively machine can clean dirt. Okay, let's start. Now first I am introducing this machine can also dirt, floor and surface dirt. Okay, And the speciality of the gun, this is a adjustable spray nozzle. You can rotate the anti-clockwise or clockwise as per your need. You can show. This is a anti-clockwise, clockwise. You can see how effectively machine has cleaned the surface dirt. You can clearly see the difference before and after, how effectively machine has cleaned the surface. Okay, so now we are going to start. You can see this dirty car, and we will show you before and after. Before you can see what is the condition of car. Okay, so let's start. You can see the long pressure and straight pressure of the gun. Once trigger release of the gun, then water coming automatically stop. So this is called advanced total stop system. When your trigger press, the water come from the pressure automatically, and once you stop the release the trigger of the gun, water will automatically stop. Where the need, you can press pointed spray like this. can see the machine giving more than 200 bar pressure in the machine. You can see I have stopped the pressure and now I am pressing the trigger of the gun. You can see it is more than 200. Okay, so I am going to discuss with you the main feature of the machine, pressure control adjustable knob. This is a pressure control adjustable knob. You can see how I will rotate it and accordingly pressure will be reduced or increase of the machine. Okay, this is a pressure control adjustable knob. However, I will be rotate accordingly, pressure will be reduced or increase. Okay, pressure also decreasing from the gate. You can see the pressure is very low now, and now I want to increase the pressure, so I am rotating it very properly. You can see how I am rotating the adjustable control knob. The pressure is decreasing. You can see the difference. This is a degree spray nozzle which come in the pointed. You can use this for the desired pressure. Okay, now I am going to introduce different degree spray nozzle. Okay, there are different color nozzles. Okay, you can see this is a 0 degree, so it also called pointed degree spray nozzle. When we use this degree spray nozzle, pressure comes in straight way, pointed pressure. Right. This is a 15 degree, the water coming and pressure coming from the angle 15 degree angle. This is a 25 degree nozzle, pressure coming 25 degree. This is a 40 degree angle nozzle, pressure come in 40 angle. And this is usually used for the spray of the gun. Okay, so now I am telling how to connect it. Okay, you can see that this is a gun. Firstly, you need to reduce the front nozzle of the gun. Okay, this is a brass connector, or also it called quick nozzle. You can connect here. Once the connect quick nozzle, please ensure that this should be properly fit. Okay, you can see there are threads and bearing inside the quick nozzle, starting from the 0 degree nozzle. Okay, so like that we have to push this upper part of the quick connector like this and put into the easily and press this slightly and stop. You can see. Now I am going to show you working application of the spray nozzle. Now we can see the working application of straight nozzle or 0 degree nozzle. Here not need to rotate, just raise the trigger of the gun like this. You can see. This is specially used for straight nozzle or extra dust application like this. Now let's connect the 15 degree nozzle to the quick connector like this. Okay, now you can see 15 degree spray will become inside the gun like this. You can see the difference. You can see application of the 15 degree nozzle. Now we connecting 25 degree nozzle. Now you can show water pressure come in 25 degree nozzle. You can also use this. And last one, we are connecting 40 degree nozzle. The water pressure flow come in 40 degree like this. You can see like this. Okay, now let's turn on the professional foam bottle. Now we are going to see working application of the professional foam bottle. This is a professional foam bottle, Cortex Automation Private Limited. Okay, so now we are going to putting car wash shampoo into the bottle, and after that we will see how it is work. Okay, so let's go. Now I am adding car wash shampoo. According to this, you have to open it. Okay, this type of attachment you will get along with this foam bottle. Okay. Now I have added car wash shampoo or car wash liquid with the water mixture. Okay, now I am connecting to the gun like this. Just we have to same procedure like connecting degrease spray nozzle. Now I am spraying shampoo on the car. You can see. You can see how properly foam come from the. You can see how effectively and how thick foam coming from this professional foam bottle. The special feature of this professional foam bottle is foam come with very thick and very good quality. You can see. This side also we are going to spray the shampoo. This is a car washer sponge. Now we are going to show application of this car wash sponge. Easily you can wear in the hand like this. Okay. And easily you can how effectively. This is very smooth and easy for use. You can see. The quality of this foam is very good and easy to carry and easy to handle. Easily you can wash your car.